Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Info Hub. In this video, we will discuss about reproduction and its types. All the living organisms, whether they may be plants, animals or microscopic organisms, remain alive on the earth for a limited period of time and then expire. So, new organisms have to be produced in place of those who die. The production of new organisms from the existing organisms of the same species is termed as reproduction. Or in simple words, you may say reproduction is the creation of the new organisms from the already existing organisms. Reproduction is an essential feature of the living organisms because it helps to continue their race on the earth. For example, human beings reproduce by giving birth to their offsprings, that is the sons and daughters. These sons and daughters grow and ultimately become the adults. So when the old parents die, their offsprings continue to exist or remain on the earth. There are many ways by which the organisms are produced from their parents. For example, amoeba reproduces by binary fission, that is, it splits into two to give rise to two new amoeba, or hydra that develops as a bud from its parent, and this bud then gets detached from the parent and develops into the individual organisms. Or birds and snakes hatch out of the eggs laid from their parents, and human beings, they are directly or you may say human beings give birth directly to their young ones. So based upon this, the reproduction that has been classified, or that is classified into two broad categories. One is the asexual reproduction, another is the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it's that type of reproduction in which the new organism is produced from a single parent without the involvement of the sex cells, or you may say the gametes or gametes. That is the specialized cells, that is the sex cells, they are not involved in this type of reproduction, as the word asexual means without sex. Here the two parents, that's the males and females, they are not required for reproduction of the new organisms. For example, amoeba that reproduces from a single parent cell without the involvement of the sex cells, that reproduces by a method, that method is known as the binary fission. Or hydra grows as a bud on the parent's body, and this bud then gets detached from the parent body and develops into the individual hydra. So there is no involvement of these sex cells or gametes. On the other hand, the production of the new organisms, which involves the fusion of the sex cells or gametes for the production of the new organism, is termed as sexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, when these sex cells fuse, they give rise to a cell. That cell is known as the zygote. And it is this zygote from which the organism later develops. Here, two sexes are required. One sex is known as the male, and another is known as the female. For example, in case of human beings, we require two sexes. That's our mother and the father. When they produce the gametes, their gametes they are fused and it gives rise to the zygote. And from this zygote, the individual organism develops. Hope from this short video you have understood the basic idea of the reproduction and its types. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.